welcome to my channel. See how I'm a mechanic.
Alright, this is a 2012 Audi A5 2.0. I'm just gonna give you some tips and so you can have an idea, you know, what you're getting into it. If you have if your car starts leaking water from down there under the throttle, more likely it's gonna be your water pump. These water pumps are plastic and they crack. So as you can see right here, this one is missing a chunk right here. So let me tell you what you gotta remove to get to that. It's not that hard. If you know a little bit about mechanic, you can do it. So first you're gonna remove the cover. You're just gonna pull it up. Then you're gonna take this reservoir. It's held by 210. It got two lines, one going to the back of the engine, one coming to the radiator, and then one lower one, which is that one right there, the lower one. This is the top one here, and there is the back one. So those you just pull a little clip up and then you slide the hose out. So before you, and also the intake, you gotta take it off. So before you take the actual pump out, you gotta remove this line right here. So it has one screw, is screwed to the pump, has one. You get a plier, you get the hose over here, get the hose out, has one screw over here, I'll tell you the side right now, and then another clip on the other hose that goes to the back. You got to get that off first before you take the pump out. The pump is held by 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 screws holding the pump. Once you get those 5 screws out and you slide your water line, and also there's going to be a sensor right on the right here, the other side. 1 second. Right here, there's a sensor right there, so you gotta unplug that. So the pump will be sitting. The pump will be sitting like that, just like that. So you gotta make sure you unplug that, but you can leave that for last. As soon as you got it out. Another thing is, once you get everything out, the pump is not. It's not just gonna come out like that. So you gotta slide the belt. There's gonna be a small belt here. Before you get to that belt, you got to remove a cover. It's held by 2 screws. It has one going toward the engine and one going down. I'll show you the little cover. So it goes like that, just like that. So one is screwing down, one is screwing to the block. So you get that off. Once you get that off, you're gonna slide your belt. You don't have to lose anything, just slide the belt out even from the top only. So there's your little belt. So you slide the belt out, and then you're gonna get a pry bar. Get a pry bar. You're gonna stick the pry bar gonna stick the pry bar here behind the alternator, and you're gonna push it toward the car. You're gonna push the whole pump, because the pump is pushed in with this adapter. So the pump is gonna come with 2 new seals. It has couple seals, couple screw. So this is, you're gonna use 2 of them right here. It goes right in there. So that's what you're gonna do to pop it out, and that's where it goes. It hooked up to the silver box right there. Let me see, right there. It hooks up. That's where it hook up. It goes in there. And then that's it. If you can get it off, I'm sure you can put it back. So it's not that hard. The tools you need a let me see, this is a T30. This is a T30, and you need if you're gonna do it by hand, you need a wrench, and you need an extension, 1 long one and 1 medium one, and a flathead screwdriver so you can pop the clips out. This type of clips, I'll show you. To pop these clips, you just pop them up. You don't have to take it out all the way. So this is all you do. You pop it out right there. The clip will stop right there. When the clip stop right there, that's it. You can wiggle your hose out and get it out. What's up, baby? All right. So I hope I help someone with this tip, and I hope you can do your water pump. Thank you. Well, there you have it. The heat is blowing hot, so that means we're good to go. Make sure you don't use those universal coolant. Make sure you get the right one for the car, which is this one right here, purple cap. Looking good. No more leak. Right. Well, the fans already cycle, so that means everything's good. Top it off. It's good. No more overheating. All right. See you in the next one.